think some organizations will, some won't. And it's going to be that way until, kind of there's a forcing function that drives everyone to make use of this kind of data.
Yeah, but maybe we can automate some of this stuff with using LLM and using AI. I think that we start seeing some good result from some of that level of automation, but also from that level of automation, also some level of simplification, because as I dig into CWE, I find it extremely mentally taxing, while we could maybe do a little bit of a simplification to the top 10, again, root cause analysis that we see across weaknesses. Because I don't have a PhD in cybersecurity, but looking at CWE, I find it extremely complex and extremely convoluted, whilst extremely detailed, but for different reasons. And going full circle on, hey, I'm a developer, I need to secure my software. What do I prioritize? Having a full PhD that explained me this particular set of CWE are more important than this other one, I find it not serving as a security professional, but actually is a drawback on us. What do you think, Chris?
Yeah, I think, if someone like you, right, who's living and breathing this and being down in the data is saying that, hey, this is complex, this is confusing, it's challenging. Imagine folks who are just kind of, doing day-to-day activities, whether on security or development or engineering or whatever the case is, and they encounter vulnerabilities that they need to navigate and work with. I think that it's concerning, right? So I am glad to hear that, people like you and organizations like yours are out there kind of digging into this data, trying to make it more accessible, improve the quality of data, whether through visualizations or the way it's communicated, improve the fidelity of the information that's there. We need more of this. So we need more organizations doing this because it needs to be accessible for everyone. A lot of people aren't honestly just spending, most of their time digging down into this data. They just want to know, right, just tell me, what's the root cause here? Just tell me the information I need to know.